Hey there. Are you struggling with a Wi-Fi router that's connected, but your phones are showing no internet access? This week, I've got a comprehensive guide on how to fix no internet access on Wi-Fi router connected without internet phones. This issue can be frustrating when everything seems connected, but nothing really works. Don't worry, we've got you covered with these easy-to-follow steps that will have you back online in no time. Step 1. Restart your devices. Start by giving your devices a fresh start. Turn off your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from the power source. Wait for about a minute before plugging it back in. While you're at it, restart your smartphone as well. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes to clear minor glitches and restore your connection. Step 2. Check your internet service provider. If restarting didn't help, the issue might be with your ISP. Reach out to your provider to ensure there are no outages or disruptions in your area. You can usually find this information on their website or customer service line. If there's no service interruption, confirm that your account is active and your bill is up to date. Step 3. Verify Wi-Fi settings. Ensure that your smartphone is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and check that it's not connected to a different or guest network, which might have limited access. Also, verify that the network doesn't require additional authentication, such as a login screen that hasn't appeared. Step 4. Reset network settings on your phone. If everything seems fine with your router, resetting your phone's network settings can be helpful. Navigate to your phone's settings, find the option for Network Settings Reset, and proceed. This action will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and other connections, so you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords. However, it can resolve anomalies affecting connectivity. Step 5. Update your router. Step 5. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Log into your Wi-Fi router's admin panel through your web browser. This is usually a specific IP address, like 192.168.0.1, found in your router's manual. Check for any firmware updates in the settings. Follow your router's instructions to download and install these updates safely. Step 6. Examine router placement and interference. Sometimes physical barriers or electronic interference can impede your Wi-Fi signal. Place your router in a central location, away from walls and other electronic devices like microwaves and cordless phones. Ensure there's a clear path between the router and your device for the best signal strength. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the problem of no internet access when your Wi-Fi router is connected but phones aren't getting online. Stay persistent, as it might take several steps to identify and resolve the root of the problem. Remember, regular maintenance like checking for firmware updates and ensuring your router is placed optimally can prevent future issues. Enjoy seamless browsing and connectivity with these practical solutions.